red cabbage, lemon juice, soapy water, drinking water, milk. We also need soda. We use Coca-Cola here. And then a vinegar, a baking powder, baking soda, tomato, where we will get tomato juice, a vitamin C in water, a salt in water, or salt in water rather, brown sugar in water, shampoo, detergent, bleach, also droppers for each item, and another one for the red cabbage. Before we start, we need to make sure that we are safe. So now I'm using a gloves before heating the red cabbage. So if you can see, I already cut it into pieces. Okay, and then I put enough water to cover those cuttings. Now, we will preheat this cabbage or red cabbage for 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, it's already cool, so we waited for another 10 minutes for it to be cool enough. Transfer it now to a jar. A clear jar is recommended for this. So our first experiment is that we will get a 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Okay, and then transfer it to a white plate. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. And now, in another, we will get a 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage juice too. Okay, and then let's see what happened. Okay, so what happened when the red cabbage was boiled? Bluish violet juice was extracted from the red cabbage. Change occurred when the red cabbage juice was mixed with the lemon juice. Alright, so if you can see, the bluish violet cabbage extract or juice is mixed with the lemon juice. It turns almost to red or light red. Alright, so for the next one, we will do the same thing. Now we will be using a soapy water instead. Okay, it's the soapy water. Okay, so we'll get another dropper. Alright, 2 to 3 drops. Okay, so put it here. 1, 2. Okay, sorry about that. And then 3. All right. Okay, and then we will get another 2 to 3 drops of the blue or the red cabbage juice. Okay, and then drop it here too. And then we will see what color will it change to. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or with the remaining materials that we have. Okay, so to start with, we have a drinking water. We will drop another, or we will get 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we'll get another 2 to 3 drops of the red cabbage juice. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of milk. So we'll do the same thing, 3 to 5 drops of red cabbage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, we'll just get 2 to 3 drops of cola. Okay, it already dropped here. Okay. And then we'll get another 2 to 3 drops of 2, 3. Okay. This one, it's a vitamin C in water. Oops. Okay. Alright, so once we put the vitamin C in water, okay, let's shake it off. Alright, now we will get 2 to 3 drops of this and put it in a white plate. This one is a baking powder. So I already put an amount in the white plate. Okay, now let's get another 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage. Baking soda. Alright, so let's try to put some 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage. Okay. One, we have tomato juice. Alright, so let's get. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Oops. 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage. Okay, let's see how a water or salt with water. Okay, so we'll get another 2 to 3 drops here. Put it on a white plate. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we'll get another drops of red cabbage, and let's see what happened. 1, 2, 3. Or brown sugar with water. We'll get 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage first. Oops. Okay, and then let's try to put a shampoo. Okay, let's see how it reacts. There are 2 to 3 drops of detergent. 1, 2, okay. And then put it here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a detergent. Okay, and then we'll put another 2 to 3 drops of red cabbage extract. 1, 2, 3. Okay. On our part 2 of experiment. Okay, so what we need is a baking soda and a vinegar. This one. Okay, so first we will put a spoon of baking soda. Alright, and another spoon of vinegar, and we will see what happened or what will occur.
What happened when the two ingredients were mixed?
Mix the two materials the bubbling occurs.
Following is an acceptable conclusion based on your answer in question 1.
Possible products of the reaction is a gas.
Reacting ingredients is an acid.
The acid on this one is the vinegar.
Which of the reacting ingredients is a base?
On this one, the base is the baking soda.
How did you identify the acid in the base?
It is based on the experiment 1, or the first experiments that I've done a while ago.
What is an indicator?
An indicator is a solution that changes color when mixed with an acid or a base.
Is the reaction between the household ingredient and the indicator an example of reversible acid-base reaction?
I believe yes. The good thing about with this indicator is that you can change it back to its starting color by adding either an acid or a base.
What is the similarity between water and the red cabbage juice?
Similarity between the water and the red cabbage is that they can act both as an acid and as a base depending on their reacting compound.
What is the acid found in the ingredients?
It's an acetic acid.
The base found in the ingredients?
It's sodium bicarbonate.
What is the correct acid-base reaction?
I choose one of the choices. It's the CH3COOH plus NaHCO3 to NaCH3COO plus H2CO3.
What are the products formed?
These are sodium acetate and carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid is easily converted into water and blank, hence the fizzing and bubbling during the reaction.
It's CO2 or carbon dioxide.
Sodium acetate dissolve in water, or will it form a precipitate?
It will dissolve in water.
What will be the chemical equation for the dissolution of ionization of sodium acetate?
It's none of the choices that is on the laboratory forms.
If instead of vinegar, lemon juice was used, what will you observe?
It's the same observation because lemon juice is also an acid.
Acid found in lemon juice.
It's a citric acid. Alright, thank you for watching this experiment of mine today. Though it's somehow hard to finish this experiment because this is really hard to get this red cabbage. I've been to different supermarkets here in Pangasinan as well in Manila, and I was not able to get any of this for the past few weeks. I guess it's 3 weeks now that we've been looking for this red cabbage. But good thing that we were able, or I have a friend from Baguio and she was able to send me this red cabbage via courier. So I'm glad that I'm able to finish this experiment, and thank you for watching.